Welcome to Eduquestzone. Let's begin the MCQs quiz. Question number 121. Which of the following scheduling algorithms is preemptive? Option C, round robin. Round robin is preemptive as it interrupts running processes after a time quantum expires. Question number 122. What is the main goal of the shortest remaining time first scheduling algorithm? Option B, minimize waiting time. Shortest remaining time first minimizes average waiting time using shortest remaining burst time. First. Question number 123. In a system with 4 processes and 3 resource types, what condition must hold for a safe state? Option C, existence of a safe sequence. Safe state exists when at least one sequence of processes can complete without deadlock. Question number 124. The banker's algorithm is used for. Option C, deadlock avoidance. Banker's algorithm prevents deadlock by checking for safe allocation states. Question number 125. Thrashing occurs when. Option C, paging activity is high and CPU utilization drops. Thrashing means too much paging leading to reduced CPU performance. Question number 126. In paging, the page table is used to. Option B, map logical to physical addresses. Page table maps virtual page numbers to physical memory frames. Question number 127. The working set model in memory management helps to. Option C, prevent thrashing. Working set model prevents thrashing by tracking recently used pages. Question number 128. Which disk scheduling algorithm gives the best throughput? Option B, scan. Scan or elevator algorithm increases disk throughput by moving head sequentially. Question number 129. In file systems, which allocation method suffers from external fragmentation? Option A, contiguous allocation. Contiguous allocation suffers from external fragmentation due to scattered free blocks. Question number 130. Which of the following algorithms is used for file access control? Option B, access control matrix. Access control matrix defines permissions of users over system resources. Question number 131. Which of the following is a valid candidate key for the relation R of attributes A, B, C, D with functional dependencies A determines B and C determines D? Option A and C. A and C together determine all other attributes, so AC is a candidate key. Question number 132. Which normal form is violated when a non-prime attribute depends on another non-prime attribute? Option A, third normal form. Third normal form is violated when a non-key attribute depends on another non-key attribute. Question number 133. In SQL, which clause is used to eliminate duplicate rows from the result set? Option A, distinct. The distinct keyword removes duplicate rows from SQL query output. Question number 134. Which of the following anomalies is removed by converting a relation into BCNF? Option A, update anomalies. Boy's code normal form removes redundancy in update anomalies. Question number 135. In an model, Total participation of an entity in a relationship is represented by option A, double line. Total participation is shown by a double line in the diagram. Question number 136. Which SQL command is used to remove all rows from a table but keep its structure? Option A, truncate. Truncate removes all rows from a table but retains its structure. Question number 137. What is the primary purpose of an index in a database? Option A, improve query performance. Indexes are used to speed up data retrieval operations in a database. Question number 138. Which type of join returns only the matching rows from both tables? Option A, inner join. Inner join returns rows that have matching values in both tables. Question number 139. Which of the following is true about a foreign key in relational databases? Option A, ensures referential integrity. Foreign keys maintain referential integrity by linking data across tables. Question number 140. Which isolation level allows non-repeatable reads but prevents dirty reads? Option A, read committed. Read committed prevents dirty reads but allows non-repeatable reads. Question number 141. Which property of a transaction ensures changes are permanent even after a system crash? Option D, durability. Durability ensures that once a transaction is committed, its effects remain permanent. Question number 142. In a relational database, which normal form removes transitive dependencies? Option C, third normal form. Third normal form eliminates transitive dependencies. Question number 143. Which ensures that multiple transactions can be executed concurrently without inconsistency? Option A, concurrency control. Concurrency control, often through two-phase locking, ensures consistent concurrent execution. Question number 144. What is the primary purpose of an index in a database? Option C, improve query performance. An index improves query speed by minimizing disk reads. Question number 145. Which of the following schedules is conflict serializable? Option C, schedule with acyclic precedence graph. Conflict serializability is determined by absence of cycles in the precedence graph. Question number 146. In SQL, which command removes all rows from a table but keeps the structure intact? Option C, truncate. Truncate command removes all records but keeps the table definition. Question number 147. Which anomaly is prevented by BCNF but not necessarily by third normal form? Option C, dependency on non-candidate key. BCNF removes anomalies caused when determinant isn't a candidate key. Question number 148. Which indexing method uses a balanced tree structure for fast lookup? Option C, B plus tree. B plus trees provide balanced indexing for efficient searching. Question number 149. Which isolation level prevents dirty reads but allows non-repeatable reads? Option B, read committed. Read committed prevents dirty reads but allows non-repeatable reads. Question number 150. In SQL, Which keyword removes duplicate rows in a result set? Option B. Distinct. Distinct keyword ensures unique rows in query results. Thank you for watching. Visit eduquestzone.com for more quizzes.